Start by locating all the required components: the two side panels, the top, bottom, and the middle fixed and fixed shelves, and then also all of your Rayfix fittings from the side cabinet bag of hardware. Tap the Rayfix fittings into all the locations of the top stretcher, bottom panel, middle fixed, and fixed shelf panels. With your rubber mallet, lightly tap one end in first and then the other until they are fully in. Continue this process, making sure you install all the required Rayfix fittings. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, you're going to install all of the Rayfix bolts into both side panels. There are to be 8 bolts installed on each side panel. You may wish to refer to your installation manual for further details. Now you're ready to install the metal sleeves into the corresponding pre-drilled holes on the side panels. Place them in the holes and lightly tap them in fully with the rubber mallet. Next, line up the 2 side panels on either side of the top stretcher and 2 fixed shelves and the bottom stretcher. Similar to how the Murphy bed cabinet was assembled, lift the side panel and the top stretcher and then slide into place, and then tighten with the Phillips screwdriver. Working your way down, attach the remaining 2 fixed shelves and bottom stretcher, making sure the Rayfix bolts are securely connected. Now install the 6-hole brackets onto the ends of the front kick using 5/8 panhead Robertson screws. Drill in the side 2 holes and skip the middle hole, and make sure the bracket is flush with the end of the front kick. Similar to the bed cabinet, attach the front kick 1 1/8 of an inch set back from the front edge of the side cabinet. You're going to want to measure 1 1/8 from the side gable. Then you'll mark just slightly next to that at 1 7/8. Now that you've installed the front kick, you can lift up the side cabinet and position it next to the Murphy bed. Using one metal L bracket, attach the side cabinet to the wall into a structural member with 2 screws, like what was previously done for the Murphy bed cabinet. Now screw in 2 screws through the bracket and into the cabinet itself. Now insert the shelf pegs into your desired location and insert the 2-piece hole grommets into the corresponding holes in the bottom and fixed shelves. These will allow for access for cords and wires. To finish, slide in the adjustable shelves.